I'm Bridget Harvey from Douglas Elliman, and I have the perfect home for you, right here in the heart of the West Village. Nestled on historic cobblestone Bank Street, this quiet and spacious home includes a gracious entry foyer, a generous living space, and a sleeping alcove that easily accommodates a queen-sized bed. The living space is highlighted by two bright and sunny oversized western-facing windows. The recently renovated kitchen features Bosch appliances, including a dishwasher. 99 Bank Street is a landmarked pre-war co-op located in prime West Village with nearby meatpacking district, Chelsea Market, and easy access to everything. Charming, contemporary, and precisely where you want to be. Contact me today and see this home for yourself.